Hawthorn, an amazing herb for heart health and blood pressure regulation. Hi, I'm Dr. James Meschino. Our topic today is hawthorn. Now, it's the leaves and the berries of the hawthorn that have the medicinal ingredients. And the medicinal ingredients are these very unique flavonoids. Some of them are called proanthocyanidins. How's that for a big word? But these medicinal ingredients from the hawthorn leaves and berries over thousands of years have been used to treat congestive heart failure before there were any medications, and also to lower high blood pressure, to help manage angina, and other clinical applications. And so it's been used more recently in clinical studies to see if it actually has the benefits that we saw historically. And in fact, for congestive heart failure and high blood pressure and angina, it actually is a very useful supplement. So that it's been proven. So, and how does it work? Well, hawthorn increases the ability of the heart to convert food into energy. And so, as we get older, the heart has more trouble converting food into energy, actually, so the heart pump gets a bit weaker. We become more prone to congestive heart failure as we get older. Hawthorn supplementation has been shown to actually enable the heart to make more energy by increasing what's known as cyclic AMP, if you want to be technical. But the heart muscle gets stronger again the way it was when you were younger. That helps to prevent congestive heart failure. So as we get older, we all should probably be taking some hawthorn, as I'm going to mention to you. The other thing that it does is in the blood vessels in the heart that feed the heart muscle, which sometimes get a bit clogged with cholesterol over time and start to narrow, hawthorn opens up the blood vessel wall, that dilates it. We call this endothelial function, where it gets the vessels to dilate more, to allow more blood and oxygen to get to the heart muscle. That reduces the likelihood you're going to have a heart attack. And it also acts like the drugs, the calcium channel blocker drugs, which lower blood pressure, to help keep blood pressure in the ideal range without really any significant side effects. The reason hawthorn is so important is because after the age of 50, the heart pump is getting weaker. It's getting weaker primarily because we make less coenzyme Q10. So it makes sense that by age 45 even to be putting CoQ10 back into the body. But putting CoQ10 in with hawthorn actually is a better idea because they work synergistically to help the heart convert food into energy so the heart muscle remains strong. And hawthorn has some additional heart health benefits that CoQ10 by itself doesn't have. But if you're going to use hawthorn, you have to know what is the right dosage for prevention. If you already have high blood pressure or some other heart ailment, then you're going to need a more therapeutic dose. You have to know what that is. And you have to use the right standardized grade of hawthorn, otherwise it's totally useless. And there are some very important drug-nutrient interactions. If you're on certain medications, taking hawthorn could be very dangerous, in fact, life-threatening. So you have to know what you're doing. So I wrote a short review article on this. Just click on the link below. You can read all the relevant facts about hawthorn, how to use it effectively and how to use it safely. All the scientific references are there so you'll know you're getting sound information. Now at meschinohealth.com, I have a lot of other sound information there. I have a bunch of research review papers and footage from my live professional seminars, other videos and downloads and resources that are there. They're all there to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. You can access all of them for free. All my research review papers and teaching materials have all the evidence in the paper so you can see from what journals the information is coming from. So you should use meschinohealth.com as an ongoing, reliable resource of health and wellness information for both you and your family. Thanks so much for watching.